Hi everybody, Chris with Command Comfort. First and foremost, I hope this video finds you safe and well in your home or wherever you are if you're fortunate enough to be working. I hope that you and your families are safe during these crazy times. But secondly, I wanted to, speaking of all of that, with everything that's going on, this coronavirus, COVID-19, it's pretty serious. And a lot of us are cooped up in our houses and we're probably paying attention to the air quality a little bit more than normal. So I want to talk to you about two options that we have for you. Those of you that have ductless systems, most of these units come built in with something that you may have overlooked, but it's really, really important. So let me show you. Inside here, when you go to change your filter, all of these high wall mount models come standard with an enzyme filter. This we call it often an anti-allergy filter. But what this does, it actually captures and kills viruses, bacteria, germs, breaks down allergen proteins and things like that, and really cleans the air. So really important. If you haven't had these changed in a while, check them, take a look at it. What they'll do is, it's pretty bright blue at first when they're clean, but when they start to lose their effectiveness, they'll kind of turn clear like your toothbrush. The bristles will lose that blue color. So check that out. Give us a call. We have a couple options for you. We can mail them out to you, which we normally don't do, but during these times we can certainly do that. Or we can bring them for you and install them and clean the main filter as well. Make sure that these things are clean and good for you. Now, if you don't have a ductless system and you have a central air system, we also have something really cool that might help out. It's called Phenomenal Air. These are great. There's a couple other products like it, but this one doesn't require any bulb changes or real regular maintenance other than some basic cleaning, which we do during a maintenance run anyways. So check it out. There's a short video following. This will talk a little bit more about the science behind this one, but this is an awesome product. And we're actually giving discounts on it right now to make it as affordable as we can and get them in homes to keep you guys safe. So here's the video. Check it out.
Phenomenal Air creates a plasma field within a home's HVAC system. As air flows through the field, molecules are charged, creating ions. These positive and negative ions then naturally scrub the passing air. The ions then travel on into the living space, where they safely kill mold, viruses, and bacteria. For example, a water molecule enters into the plasma field as H2O. It leaves the field as 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen ion. The oxygen is looking for an electron. As the oxygen enters into the living space and lands on a virus, mold, or bacteria, it pulls the hydrogen electron from the virus, mold, or bacteria, which kills it. Once there's no more mold, virus, or bacteria to kill, the oxygen and hydrogen ions become simple molecules again, like H2O.
All right, so there you have it. Phenomenal Air for your heating and air conditioning central system or the enzyme filter replacements for your Mitsubishi ductless unit. Give us a call. We'd love to come out, love to help you. Remember, we're being super safe here. We're taking every precaution we can to make sure that our technicians and our office staff and just in general, we're safe, and therefore you're going to be safe. So trust us, we're going to do what's right and take care of you. Thank you.